I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Exodus wallet. First, navigate to the official Exodus website to download the application. It is crucial to verify the website's authenticity to avoid fraudulent versions. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process on your preferred device, whether it is a desktop computer or a mobile phone. This initial step is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete. After successfully installing the application, open Exodus. You will notice that a new wallet is automatically generated for you upon its very first launch. There is no traditional sign-up or registration form. Your next critical step is to establish a robust and unique password. This password encrypts your wallet locally, providing a vital layer of security for your digital assets. Choose something memorable but complex. The most crucial step for securing your funds is backing up your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet and all your assets. Carefully write down each word in the correct order on a piece of paper. Never store this phrase digitally or share it with anyone. Keep it in a secure, private place, perhaps a fireproof safe, to ensure its protection. With your wallet secured, you can now fund it by sending cryptocurrency to your unique Exodus addresses. Simply navigate to the asset you wish to receive and copy its address. Exodus also offers a convenient built-in exchange feature, allowing you to swap between various cryptocurrencies directly within the application. You can manage over 300 different digital assets, tracking your portfolio's performance with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.